In my presentation, I will talk about futuristic library. When we are talking about future human civilization, obviously the library will come. Library is not only an important means of linking past and present, but it shows the direction of future progress, as it is the sources of information and more precisely the temple of knowledge. When we are talking about the nano library, we need to keep in mind two things. First of all, what would be the shape of our planned nano library? Secondly, what will be the role of library in future human civilization? Before I jump directly into the depth of the concept of nano library and its aspects, let me give you a brief background on why this domain has become so important today, especially in the academic circle. As per my view, there are two broad factors which are influencing the and contributing to this means and for a part of the present and the futuristic society: changing education landscape, and another is changing information landscape. The advent of the internet has placed the need for libraries and librarians under scrutiny. Now that everything in print is available online, do we really need physical libraries anymore? Reimagining the role of the library in digital age. This is changing the use of shape and navigating the information. That is a fantastic enhancement, but at the same time it creates a very complex information network, and there is an important role of librarian to help navigate the information landscape. There are two major tasks ahead for our librarians: building pathfinders and guides to the increasingly irresistible information. The container of information and the formation of information medium are changing very quickly. Change by its very nature is unpredictable, inconstant, and often unmanageable, and hence effective management of change is fundamental for a successful and productive organization. Online activities have been part of many people's lives, wherein they are engaged in interactive social events on the web and are also collaborative partners creating new contents. Collaborative works. If you look at this slide where I have displayed Bernard Shaw famous quotes: if you have an apple and I have an apple and we exchange apples, then you and I still each have one apple. But if you have an idea and I have an idea and we exchange these ideas, then each of us will have two ideas. Fantastic idea. Before concluding, I have tried to highlight some important issues, such as we are going to reach the ultimate small particle for storage. Secondly, we will be transitioning to a verbal society, then new era of global system, and changing lifestyle of the library users. And finally, library as a center of information to a center of culture. Nanotechnology is a fundamental design science yet to emerge, mostly theoretical today, which may provide us with the tools to cope up with the changing paradigm. We might well consider the possible future, and we must have the courage to venture on the possible nanotech future. This will determine whether we have a brave new world or a bumpy road. Thank you for listening to me. I will be happy to discuss with you.